How to fix Chrome automatically opens a new tab. Here's some tips that may help fix Chrome automatically opens a new tab. 1. Disable installed apps and extensions one by one. Then remove the problematic extension, s. 2. Disable applications from running in the background. Furthermore, perform the clean boot. For Windows only. For Mac OS, check out the login items under System Preference. 3. Run a malware scan with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Reset or reinstall Google Chrome. Note, try the recommended uninstall. Tool Pro. In this video guide to do a clean installation of Google Chrome, you may still back up your personal data, such as saved bookmarks first. Further, reset proxy, run netshare win reset proxy command as admin. Reset WinSock or netshare WinSock reset, admin mode. Reset TCP/IP, netshare and IP reset pip.txt. Admin mode. Reset firewall. Reset hosts file. Windows 10, try following http://bit.ly/2uf1wdx. For Mac OS, read http://bit.ly/2uinq4. For newbies, try the new Clean My Mac 3 at https://macpa.7er.net/c/3762111/480286/1733. 5. Turn off the Open New Window for each result option under Search Settings.